Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust the touch sensitivity on your iPhone. So go to settings and go to the accessibility tab. Then you're going to select the touch section here. Go to 3D and haptic touch. And here you can enable it or disable it here. But I basically have it on the one to the right side. Light sensitivity reduces the amount of pressure required. Firm sensitivity increases it. Actually, I'm not sure if I have it on firm or on. I think I have it on like light. There's also a touch duration of slow and fast. You can also like test it on this one. So for instance, you want to try it on the like normal one and see how fast it you can touch the photo. And I just have it on the setting because my phone screen is everything. My iPhone is pretty much like broken. But anyways, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!